Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 49 divided 7 bracket 1 plus 6. So what people do, 1 plus 6 as 7 and 7 times 7 is 49 and 49 divided by 49 as 1. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it's incorrect. So when an expression like this, you have given multiple operation, then always follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first always solve the bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. That's 49 divided by 7. 1 plus 6 as 7. And if there is no sign between the bracket and the number, put multiplication sign. So now, we know that division and multiplication both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So it's 49 divided by 7 times 7, that is 7 times 7, which is 49. So what is the correct answer? 49, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.